Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 24, Christmas Eve. And it is 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna wrap some presents. Documenting the tape before I lose it. All right. Christmas is wrapped. I don't put my presents under the tree until Christmas Eve night, right before Christmas morning. So I'm gonna go put these back in the closet and then I'm going to work. I'm gonna do a quick little 4.5 hours and I am out. So Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. I'll see y'all later. And it is a gorgeous day out here, y'all. For this to be December 24th, I want to say it's like 70 degrees outside. So it is gorgeous. I just got on a t-shirt with some yoga pants, no jacket required. I just wanted to check in and let y'all see that I'm actually out and about. Anybody have any Christmas Eve traditions? My hope is that I think I'm going to go to the store and get like some Christmas cookies. And then we have our Christmas pajamas. So hopefully we can all wear our Christmas pajamas tonight. Have some hot chocolate. Maybe take that Christmas tree picture we were supposed to take. But happy Christmas Eve, everybody. Merry Christmas. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow, but still, just want to check in and say hey. That Janae Aiko and Saweetie song, Back to the Streets, that's my jam. And I low-key been sleeping on Janae Aiko. Like, I knew of her kind of through like her mainstream stuff. The more and more that I like hear her stuff, she is dope. Like, she can sing, she can rap, she got style, she got personality. She just like all around, she's cute as hell. So Janae Aiko might be goals, like for real, for real. Be on to some music, y'all. I like all music. I like obviously R&B, rap, country, alternative, gospel, Christian, reggaeton, Caribbean, love me some Hawaiian reggae. So put me on. What is your favorite Pandora station? Because I'm ready to switch it up. But y'all, this lady is like 75, 77 years old. And she is my inspiration. Look at her booty. Get it, grandma. Now, this is the outfit I want to wear right here. Y'all, if this is not goals, I don't know what is, for real. CJ, this is why we need to go to the beach more. See, I would be motivated. I'm about to cry, for real. Yes. Now, this wouldn't be a vlog if we wasn't cooking. So I'm just going to make this Smithfield ham and some baked macaroni and cheese for dinner. Maybe some asparagus, just because the asparagus I have, I want to make sure it doesn't go bad. Because I just threw away a $13 pack of hamburger. I'm so mad. Now, I know I gave Aisha a little bit of hard time about that other pan, but this is actually one of my favorite pots from hers. The lid locks in place. You can kind of see the locks in there, and then you can strain. It has a big strain and then a smaller strain on the other side. So this is actually one of my favorites. Still don't like the non-stick part, but good concept. Guess what time it is? Our moment. I know that you guys anxiously await our moments every day. I know you're like, I cannot wait until...
We didn't do one yesterday.
I know. So they're really excited today. They're like, oh my God. They were like, oh my God, they didn't do our moments this episode. I hope they do one tomorrow. So you guys are in luck. Got a special treat. We did do one yesterday. It wasn't our moments, but we answered a question.
That's true. That is true. 100%.
We don't need a game.
Right.
To answer questions.
Vlogmas Day 24, Christmas Eve.
I'm getting on Dre nerves.
Hopefully y'all got all your shopping done.
Because if you didn't,
it's too late now.
Gonna be going to
well, not really.
No.
Yeah, I still got time. Still got time. Run.
It's 5:24 Eastern time. Run. No, you don't have to run. 7-Eleven is open, so you good. And then Walgreens is open. I know this because, you know, we always say we're not getting each other gifts, but then Dre sneaks and gives me a gift. So the first time he did that, I felt guilty. So I went to Walgreens, not Walmart, Walgreens on Christmas Day. And like all they had was the as seen on TV section. So what I buy you? Like a gel pillow. And this thing that now this is actually pretty innovative back in the day. This was like this was before we was married. So this was like probably 2011 or 2012. It was a thing that you were supposed to be able to plug into the TV and get like it was called the Rabbit. I know that sounds bad, but it was called the Rabbit. Wasn't it called the Rabbit? Look it up. It was like a little thing you plug into the TV.
What you talking about? It was like the
You never used it.
I know.
You probably still have it here.
I don't even think it ever worked.
Antique. Yeah, I think you did try it.
Yeah, it didn't work.
But it made me feel better because I was like, well, at least I got him a Christmas gift. It's electronic. All
wow.
Right. Not that one.
Too late now.
We're answering this question no matter what it is.
Stop. Claim now. We're answering this question no matter what it is.
All right, what do we have to do?
Stop.
There's probably more cards that you could purchase.
Yeah, that's it. That's what.
It's a scam. It's a scam. All right, pick another card, any card. That's funny.
We're answering this one, no matter what it is.
I don't know. I don't trust it no more.
What is your most urgent priority for the rest of the year?
Well, damn, we only got y'all know I'm not good at math, but I think it's like 7 days left.
So what's your most urgent priority for the rest of the year?
My most urgent priority for the rest of the year. I mean, I just want to get my life together. Every day is my urgent priority. It never happens. But I just want to be emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually, just stable. I know it sounds crazy, but like I just want to let go and let God and have faith. And I don't want to just say I have faith. I want to actually like walk by faith. So, I mean, that's my most urgent priority every day. But I just got to make it happen. I don't know. My screensaver on my phone even says, get your life right.
Okay. So for me, my most urgent priority for the rest of this year, I will say, I don't know. I honestly don't have something that's like an urgent priority for the rest of this year. But you know what? I'm gonna make something an urgent priority before next Friday. I'm gonna go to the flight school before next Friday and get myself enrolled for my IFR training. That's something to do. Yeah.
I just want a fried shrimp platter from somewhere. Like,
wow.
I really want a fried shrimp platter.
But that's not an urgent priority.
I've been wanting to eat at Our People's. Haven't tried them yet. I could definitely use a Scrimp Shack fried shrimp platter.
That's not a priority. That ain't no real priority. What?
What is a priority for me? I don't have one right now.
You just said what your priority was.
I mean,
Getting
that's
your
a
life
daily
together.
priority. And I guess going to Shrimp Shack and it is called Shrimp Shack. I know how to say shrimp. I guess it's not a priority, but I really want that shrimp platter. All right, y'all. So
Wow.
we vlogged today.
Wow.
Give us a round of applause. For those of y'all that are still riding with us, showing love and support every single day, we appreciate y'all.
Hold up. Back up. Shout out to the Star Wars shit we got going on.
Oh, I didn't even know. Corny twin couples.
Got the Millennium Falcon flying over here, and then we got R2. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe,
Hit that notification bell.
and holla at us tomorrow for Vlogmas Christmas Day. Peace.
Holla.